Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about how to reduce the heat in your room or in your building. So let's start from the beginning. So already the global warming is increases and all over the area or in the cities, in the many of the most famous cities, the global warming is kept increasing. So, as you live in a city, you might feel extreme hotness in your room. So, how do you see that? How do you reduce it? So, first of all, there are two important things of the if things that it can store your heat energy and you have to do it fast. So, this is important in a city as these variables are often different from the surrounding countryside. The instruments will be measuring from the lowest part where people live and buildings are there are called as the boundary layer. So in the boundary layer which is influenced by the city and there is an urban boundary layer which grows and collapses the depending larger scale weather conditions. For example, first reason is that these concrete blocks are and warmed in the sunlight and keeps the heat in it. So if you have a house built in concrete lights, do not build it once again. Let me explain. So let me change the color to yellow and okay. So here we have our sun which is glowing right over here. Okay, and here we have your very beautiful building and let me change the color. Okay, so when the rays goes and hits in your block at the evening or in the afternoon, these rays will be heated up very much that it stores the heat inside it all the times. Okay, so this just absorbs it and all over the area. Okay, now when it is being observed after the night time, so when the night times come, so okay, okay, now when the night time comes, there will be moon gives us the cool energy. So let me change the color. And when the moon sends out the cool energy, it reflects back. And how it would be? Yes, it would be half. Okay, so let me erase everything. Okay, and it would be half hot, and in the night it would be the half cold. So you will never experience the hot and cold in your everyday life. So do not build with concrete blocks. And the second reason is that if your house is or if your house had is like the top one like the roof, and if it stores the water, then what would happen is, let me explain. Okay, so let me just get into the whiteboard and let me explain it in detail. Now let us draw a house. Okay, so a house will be like this, and now when the sun is over here, okay, the sun will be here. When the sun is over here and when it rains, what would happen? All the droplets okay, so let me erase it. And okay, so when it is raining, when the sun is not over there, then when it was raining, what would happen is your rain droplets will be stored or a fill will be water will be filled. And after a few times, what would happen is it will not rain, but instead you will find a sun. Okay, so when you find a sun, what would happen is that it would start to evaporate. So Okay, when it starts to evaporate, it gives out more heat. So when it starts to evaporate, the gas transmits as empty, and you will find a steam going on. So it will also reduces the heat which is going into your rooms and all over the area. So what it is recommended is, after raining, you have to clean or sweep these things, and you know what you have to do is that it should be plain so that you will not get much more heat. So you will never get heat. So that are the two reasons that why you are having sunlight and how to reduce it. Thank you guys.